Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to get paint off of laminate flooring. This will be a simple tutorial, an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have some paint over here on this laminate flooring. We have this spot over here, and there's also this spot over here. It's actually a relatively simple process to get the paint off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out so we get a little bit of a larger perspective of what's going on here. Okay, so you only need a few simple things. First and foremost, you need a bucket with a little bit of water and a cloth that is not scratchy, that is non-abrasive. This is a microfiber cloth, so I know that this is not going to harm the floors. It is like really extremely soft. You don't want to use any cloth that is abrasive, any sponge that has a scratchy surface. You do not want to use those because those will ruin the finish. They will completely destroy the finish of the laminate flooring, and you want to preserve this. In addition, you need some sort of cleaning product. Now, I like to use ones that are not harsh because I want the laminate to last as long as possible. So what I have here is just something that I use to clean the laminate floors. It's just a simple laminate floor cleaner. Not harsh at all. What you can use instead of that is you can use just some, basically just white vinegar, okay? You can see it's cleaning vinegar right here, very simple. You don't want to use both of them, okay? You don't want to use both of them, but use one or the other, okay? Just any cleaning product that's not harsh is completely fine. What you want to do, take your cloth, okay? You're going to take your cloth, you're going to wring out the cloth, so it's nice, and you just want it to be a little bit damp. You don't want to bring out too much water into the laminate, okay? Just like that, okay? Then you want to get your cleaning product. Let's make sure that this is on spray mode. It is. You want to get your cleaning product, and you want to just apply it to the area. If you're using something like this, you can spray it on. If you're using the cleaning vinegar instead, the white vinegar instead, you just want to put like just a little drop on each, just the tiniest drop. You really don't need a lot. So even with this, I'm going to put one spray there and one spray there. Okay, so I've basically sprayed the areas. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the cloth and we're going to apply a significant amount of downwards pressure and scrub there. And if you want, you can even use the tips of your fingers because that's going to allow it. Like, you don't want to really dig your nails into the floor, but you have this cloth to protect it. So I mean, you can sort of dig your fingertips, and that will allow it to really scratch off, to loosen up and sort of get off the paint. So once again, I'm just going to apply a significant amount of pressure like this. Check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. Paint's gone, just like that. Look at this, okay? There was paint over here too. Remember, let's zoom in. We gotta get a good view of this because it's a method that is really easy. It does take some elbow grease. You know, you're gonna break a sweat doing this, but you're using very light cleaning products. So you can see the paint is right there as well. So watch this, okay? Watch this, check it out. Let's get some pressure. Just allow it to dig in with the cleaning solution. And what do we say? We say, see you later, paint. Right over there, there's still some, no problem. Okay? Allow the solution to sort of work its way into the paint, because what it's going to do is it's loosening up the paint. And as you scrub, you're getting rid of the paint. Check that out. Gone. Look at this. Look at that. It's so simple. Check it out. So simple, okay? I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that it's an easy way. Now, you can go and buy these harsh cleaning products that are just gonna, like, you wipe it off and it's gone, but you don't want that on your floor because that's gonna wipe off the finish of the floor. Instead, you wanna use something that's light, like this, something, you know, light and natural, something like this. You know, like I said, you're only using one cleaning product. We're not using multiple. You don't wanna do that. You don't wanna use more than one. Just pick one and go with it. Put some elbow grease, really scrub it in. Like I said, use those fingertips like that. You can even hear. You can hear that I'm using my fingertips. And it just works wonders. Okay? And that's it. That is how to get paint off of a laminate flooring. It's a very easy method. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.